This BFT gate motor sliding key has lost. I'm replacing this. Going to replace this key cylinder. First, I'll open this with screwdriver. The plate. Opening the screwdriver. I'm going to change the lock. Key cylinder is now open. This screws. There is a small screw inside. I have to open this to remove the cylinder. Removed.
It's awkward.
No switching anyone. This key once lost is not available. Have to replace the cylinder. Fix it. To open it again. Manual. Fixing a screw. I'll try it out. It's moving. Close.